Book your online oboe lessons at MusicBayside.com. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to the MusicBayside Oboe online music educational platform, where you will find tutorials, online lessons, the blog, podcasts, interviews, courses, the online store, and many more things to continue learning with the oboe step by step and at your own pace wherever you are. If you want to go a step beyond the free content that I offer with the tutorial videos on the YouTube channel, I offer you the possibility of booking personalized online lessons. At MusicBayside.com, you will find the online lessons section where you can select the pack of lessons that best suits you and your personal needs. A lesson, ideal to see if it works for you before purchasing bigger packs. Pack of 10 lessons for improving your skills and getting a personalized attention to your needs. The pack of 25 lessons, the perfect pack for you if you are sure about your goals and want to get a great discount. After making the selection and payment, you can reserve the day and time of your oboe lesson on the calendar. Remember to make the reservation at least 1 week in advance. In these individual lessons, you can learn instrument technique from beginner to professional level, making reeds, exercises with the reed and embouchure, breathing, relaxation and body postures techniques, repertoire of the instrument of all times adapted to your needs, personalized coaching and follow-up, and many more things. I will be waiting for you to learn and offer you a totally flexible, personalized and innovative teaching. I see you very soon.